Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. In this session, we are going to revise how a and an are used in the form of articles, and we are also going to try to solve some fill in the blanks and MCQs on the basis of the usage of a and an. So let us start. Children, we'll quickly revise what we did in the previous session. In the previous session, first we learnt about vowels and consonants. Vowels consist of A, E, I, O and U, whereas consonants, they consist of all the other alphabets excluding A, E, I, O and U. Now let us discuss about an. An comes before a noun that begins with a vowel sound, is singular and is a common noun. And a comes before a noun that begins with a consonant sound, is singular and is a common noun. Okay children? Now children, we'll do this exercise in which we have to fill in the blank with a or an. The first one is hat. Now hat over here is singular, which means it's 1 in number. It is common and it begins with a consonant sound. So over here it will be a hat. The other one is tree. So tree over here begins with the consonant sound of the letter T. It's again singular and is a common noun. So over here also it will be a. So a tree. The other one is elephant. Now elephant over here begins with a vowel sound. And it is singular and is also a common noun. So over here it will be an. So an elephant. The other one is house. So our house begins with the consonant sound of H and it's singular in number and is a common noun. So over here we'll have a. So a house. The next one is ball. Ball over here begins with the consonant sound of B. Again it is singular and is a common noun. So we will have a over here. So a ball. The other one is egg. Now egg over here begins with a vowel sound of A and it's singular in number and is also common. So we'll have an over here. The next one is skirt. Skirt over here begins with the consonant sound of S and it is singular, that is 1 in number and is also common. So we will have a over here. The next one is octopus. It is singular in number. It is a common noun and it begins with a vowel sound, that is of O. So we will have an over here. An octopus. The other one is orange. Orange begins with the vowel sound of O and it is singular and is also common. So it will be an orange. The next one is igloo. It begins with a vowel sound of E. It is singular in number, that is it's only 1 and it is also a common noun. So we will have an over here. Now the next one is car. Car over here has the consonant sound of k. It is singular and is common. It's a common noun. So we will have a over here. The next one is school bus. The school bus, it begins with a consonant sound of s, and it is singular and is common. So we will have a over here, a school bus. Now the next one is child. It begins with a consonant sound of c. It's singular and is common. It's a common noun again. So it will be a over here, a child. And the last one over here is zoo. It begins with the consonant sound of z, z. It is singular and is also a common noun. So over here we'll have the article a zoo. I hope you're getting this, children. Now children, we'll try these MCQs types of question on the basis of what we have done in the previous session. In this we have to fill in this blank with the correct option, that is either A or B or C or D. So the first one is dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So over here the noun that we are talking about is apple. It begins with a vowel sound, that is A, and it is a common noun and is also singular. It's only one in number. So what do we use? With a vowel sound, common noun and singular number, we use an. So the correct option is option C. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So the next one is there was dash owl on the tree. So owl, we're talking about the noun over here, owl. It begins with a vowel sound of O. It is singular and is also a common noun. So we will use an owl. Here is the next one. Mother bought dash dress for me. So over here we're talking about the noun dress. And it begins with a consonant sound of D. And it is singular and is a common noun. So we will use a. Option A, which is a. Mother bought a dress for me. Okay, children? So this is the next MCQ, type of fill in the blank. Lucy made dash cup of tea. So over here we're talking about cup of tea. Cup. So cup over here is the common noun. It is singular and it begins with a consonant sound of C. So we will use option A with it. Lucy made a cup of tea. This is the next one. I eat dash ice cream every day. So over here we are talking about the noun ice cream. And we're talking about singular. We're talking about only one ice cream. And it is also a common noun. And it begins with a vowel sound of I. So we will use Option C, an with it. So I eat an ice cream every day. This is the next MCQ, children. I have dash big blue car. So over here we are talking about a big blue car, and it begins with the consonant sound of B. It is singular in number because we're only talking about one big blue car over here, and it is also a common noun. So we will use a with it. So the sentence would be, I have a big blue car. I hope you understood this, children. Thank you for watching this session, children. I hope you understood how we use a and an in various sentences and with various types of words. Please do practice such sentences. It will really help you. Thank you and bye.